In this video, we will be demonstrating an example on image processing using Node-RED. So, in the particular example, we will be using the inject node to import an image from the web. We can see in the properties of the inject node that we have left the payload to be a timestamp, and we have added a property named image with the URL containing the image that we will be injecting. Next, we will be using the image node from the image tools. And we say that in the image property we will be receiving the msg.image property of the previous node, of the inject node. We are not going to apply any function. The output is going to be an image, and we're going to set it to the msg.image property of it. So next of it, by using the image viewer node, we will be displaying the image received on the msg.image property. Next, we are also going to use the image node to apply basic transformations on the image. So we will be receiving the msg.image property, which contains, like we said before, the image. And in the function we are going to apply a blur, and we are going to say that as an image. Similarly, we apply to other functions like the grayscale function, which will transform the image to the grayscale coloring. And we will also be rotating it 30 degrees. So we are going to test that. So we see up here we have the original image containing a girl with a dog. Here we have added blur. Here we see the grayscale function of it. And here we rotate it 30 degrees.